Life is 10% what happens to me and 90% of how I react to it. Those words carry a powerful truth that many people overlook. We all face challenges. We all experience setbacks, disappointments, unexpected obstacles, and moments when things don't go according to plan. The difference between those who achieve extraordinary success and those who remain stuck is rarely the circumstances themselves. More often, it's the response. Successful people understand that they cannot control everything that happens around them, but they can control their attitude, their effort, their mindset, and their actions. When obstacles appear, they look for opportunities. When others see problems, they seek solutions. When setbacks occur, they learn, adapt, and move forward. Your future is not determined by what happens to you. It is determined by what you decide to do next. Every challenge contains a lesson. Every setback contains an opportunity for growth. Every difficult season is preparing you for a greater season ahead. The people who build financial freedom, create lasting success, and achieve their goals aren't necessarily the luckiest. They're simply the ones who refuse to let circumstances dictate their destiny. The moment you take responsibility for your reactions, you take ownership of your future. And ownership is where real freedom begins. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income, and help customers save money every month without ever writing you a check, it's time to take control of your financial destiny. Now visit TruPowurCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.